Solinq basically is a company that sources building material from the UK to projects all over the world. We have branches in Egypt, the UK of course, and Emirates as well. Our first encounter with UK construction marketing was at the beginning of this year when we tried to launch a new e-commerce platform in order to also offer our services and our products online. Kate was an excellent marketeer who actually helped us through the whole process. So the first thing I did was I Googled online for a construction marketing company that would actually understand the industry and help us to get the exposure we need within the field that we're looking for. So the first name that popped out was UK Construction Marketing. And to me, that was a sign that they're actually great in what they do. They know how to do SEO, they know how to do marketing, and to me that was a trigger to reach out to them. So my first encounter with Kate was in order to launch this new platform that we built. And she helped the whole company not just like formulate or have this marketing or persona of the company in terms of designing the logo, the slogans, flyers to give out, but she also helped us when we were trying to present our company in London Built. She also helped us design a booth, and not just the booth, but the roll-ups, everything that we need to do within this context. It was an excellent experience with the company, and I would totally recommend Kate and UK Construction Marketing to anyone who's interested, especially in the construction industry.